So here we learn how to make isometric object and then how to manipulate them as well. So first we create the box. See this length and go same length here. See this line and make a parallel line over here. Make this line down. This one as well. Join them together with this point and that point and create a box. Now after creating this box, we'll be dividing the sides actually. So you divide this side from here and from there. Keep the same distance here also. Divide the point from here and there by looking at the sides of it. You see all the sides are same, the gaps are same. This will cut here and that will cut here and will go down. We'll see this line and we'll make a parallel line. We pull this down. We pull this down. We see this side and make a parallel line over here and a parallel line over there, and then we curve them. Curve this side, join this side, join these two sides, join these two sides. Now we'll be manipulating this side also the same way. First you see this line and make a parallel line over here, and see this line and make a line parallel over here, and then give this a curve and take this here, give this a curve, and then go back and push this side over there. See this line, push this side out, make a curve like that. Now this part you need to make it dark, and as we are going to make it opaque, we have to make this dark, make this dark, make this dark. So our box is ready. You can see the box is ready over here. Now after doing this, we'll be making one more boxes over there and here. Then afterwards we'll shade them. So first see how the length can be manipulated. We can take this here, make a box like that. These boxes have to be practiced well, then only you can get them perfect. Push this down, push this down, push this down. See this line and make a parallel line over here. See this line and make a parallel line over there. Divide them from this side and that side. Try to maintain the distance same. Divide this side from here and there. Now push this down and push this down and push this down and push this down. See the length over here and reduce some length and make the side parallel. Go same length here by looking at this line. Go same length here by making the lines parallel. So if these two lines are parallel and that two lines are parallel, this distance will be same as well. Now we again make this side curve. Make this side curve. Go straight. Make this side curve. Go straight. Make this side curve. Join them together. See this line. Now again, to make them parallel and curve, what we do here is we see this curve and we make a parallel curve over here. Push this over here and make a slight curve from there. Push this over here. Make a perpendicular line from this side. This will cut here and you push the curve from this side as well. Now we'll be curving the inside part as well. So you make a curve over here. You make a curve over here and over there. And take a curve here as well. Push this down. Push this down. So what length we need to go is this dependent on the box. That is the reason I have pushed this inside. Now see this curve. Get a same curve by looking at this line and make a parallel line and see this curve and make a same curve here. Similarly, we'll make a curve here also. Get a curve here. Get a curve here. Get a curve there. And get a curve here. And join these 2 points and then push this down. Push that down. Bring this here. See this line and make a line here and then get a curve and push this side. So we can see only a bit of it, not much. And that is how these both two will be drawn. Then we'll make something which is standing also. We'll have to make this standing as well. Make this side. And push this here. And push that there. So what happened is we have taken this angle and we'll bring this down. We'll bring this down. We see this line and make a parallel line. We see this line and make a parallel line over here. See this line and make a line over there. Cut this side. First you see this line and make a parallel line over here. See this line and make a parallel line. See this point, these two will be in one line. When it comes to in one line, it means that this line and that line are parallel, and that line and this line are parallel. So you'll get a perfect box like that if these 2 points come in one line at the end. Now what we do here is we cut this side, we cut this side, we cut that side, and we cut that side. Now what you need to do is to see this length, go same length here and make this side like that. Bring this down, make this side like that, bring this down. See this line and make a parallel line over here. Make a parallel line at the bottom as well by maintaining the same distance from there to here. Whenever this line will cut here, we'll make a parallel line over here and we'll make a parallel line over there. Now what we need to do is to make a curve actually. So these 2 points will get a curve. We'll make these 2 points get joined. We'll go straight and we'll join these 2 points. We'll go up and join these 2 points and get a turn here like that. Now what happened over here is that we have constructed these lines. Now what we need to see how to get this curve parallel here or maybe here. We can get a curve parallel here or there, but let us do it on this side only. So what we do is that we see this angle, how much this angle is, and we get a turn like that. Bring this down, this will end up here. We join these 2 sides. We see this curve and make a curve here parallel. We see this curve and make a curve here parallel. Make a curve here also parallel. Go same and make a curve here. So you can see this line is being pushed over there. Now we just bring this down like that. See this curve and make a small curve like that. That's how you can bring a box like this. Now what more I want you guys to do is to manipulate this a bit more. This is a kind of an extension of the exercises that we have done so far. Now we have not taken much angle here, but we'll take more angle here. Make this line parallel. Draw this perpendicular line. Draw this perpendicular line. Push this here and push that there. Bring this down and push this here. Join these 2 lines. See this line? Make a parallel line over here. Make this parallel line with this and see if these 2 points are coinciding, which is very much coinciding. Now I want you guys to make this box again. So we do the same process over here as well. Cutting the box, looking at the parallel line and making this line, making this line. Push this line over here, push that line over there. See this line and make a parallel line. See this line and make a parallel line. Now what I want you guys to do is to make a curve again from this side and that side and this side and that side. Look at this line and make a line parallel. Look at this curve and make a curve parallel. Join this side. Now make a curve again. Make this curve again. Make this curve again and curve here as well. So it's clearly visible that you can see the back side. Just make sure the point where the curve has started, where it has ended, and make this back side also. You can increase the length if you like to, as I have done. A small bit of change was increasing the length over here. Not much, but a little bit. Now what I want you guys to do is to cut this again. Like we have cut this from here, we have cut this from here, and this line will go parallel, and this line will go parallel. Now looking at this line, we'll make a parallel line over here, and we'll see this line and make this line. So this part will vanish. This part will vanish, and we can't do the same because it is opaque. We can't do the same. So slowly your diamond will be stuck here. We can be fitted over here. That what is we'll do in the next class, how to make the diamond get fitted in this part. Slowly we'll come on to the geometry part of it and the shading part of it also. Now here we're gonna be shading it and looking at how we can build the texture of this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my 6B or 8B pencil and sharp it well, get the shading done. Make it nice, sharp. Now again, how to shade this. So what we will be going to do is to see this side and make this side dark, and once you move here, you slowly release the pressure and get this done. Slowly increase the pressure from this side, come back and go further again. Try to do this in one go. This will give you an excellent result of the shading, which looks like metal. Again from this side, you slowly go here, make this point dark. Come back again, make this point light. Go back from this side, make this dark, light, make this dark and light. As you have made this, sharpen these edges . Now from this side, what you do, you make this dark, release some lines, push this line over here, push this line like that, and leave some gaps, make this dark, bring some lines like that. we erase the inside part of it. And to give the finishing, you can erase the outside part also. But it's better to leave it like that only. To be precise, I'm doing this. After you get that, shade this again from inside. So how to do that is to pull this line here, make this part dark, push this out, make this part dark, and make it light over here, and make it dark on the edges. Here also do the same thing, make this part light, push this dark, and make the edges fine. This is how I want you guys to shade. Do the same thing here as well. Make this dark, light, dark, light, dark, light. Dark to light, dark. So you see this over here will look like a metal only. We'll do the same thing in this also. Dark to light, dark to light, light. This is dark. From dark to light, dark. Now make this part dark to light, then to dark, and make this dark. Make some strokes over here, leaving some white space. Make few strokes together, leaving a lot of white space. Make few strokes like that, leaving a lot of white space. Make few strokes like this. Now I want you guys to do this as well. I want you guys to bring this like that. And bring out the shading of the bottom as well. Just make a line. Push this down. To shows the reflection. Do the same thing with others also. That is how this will be done.